another Amazon unboxing. Can't decide about this set. I'm not loving it as much as I thought I would. But you tell me, what do you think? Q is this skirt. So look for less, and they are so stinking comfy. Oh look, 100% yes. This is fun. Why do I love this so much? It's giving me dressed in Lala vibe. I think it's cute. Adorable. This is so cute. This jumpsuit, absolutely love. Muscle tank hoodie. Abso-freaking-lutely. Love this. Other one I absolutely love. It's got the zippers up this side. I wanted a lightweight, not fleece, oversized hoodie. Yep, it's another winner. It is a little bit heavier than I would have liked, a little bit warmer, but it'll be perfect for like camping or just a cool night. How cute is this romper? Love. It's so flattering. It's got like a cute open back. I've already been shopping the Memorial Day deals. It's 12-hour moisturization hyaluronic acid, 30 SPF, and this is my favorite for my little's face. It's 70 SPF. These shorts are a definite yes.